Brr, it is so cold and snowy in New York today. We really need some sun.
Let's go to Miami, Florida. I am looking at Expedia right now.
I want a window seat.
Me too! Window seat!
Okay, 2 window seats. And a pet ticket for Oliver.
Time to pack. We need our luggage.
Meow! Don't forget my favorite toy!
The taxi is here.
Let's go to the airport!
We have 2 suitcases and 1 carry-on bag.
They arrive at the airport terminal. Good morning. Passports, please. Here are our passports. We have 2 bags to check. And a special tag for the cat. Here are your boarding passes.
Our flight is at gate 5. Let's go!
Look! Airplanes! Flight to Miami is now boarding.
It is time to board the plane. Have your boarding passes ready.
Wow, window seat. I can see everything. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Oliver is safe under the seat.
The plane takes off. Goodbye, cold New York.
Hello, sunny Miami!